What's up, you guys? Today we've got a nice little Monday, some pizza, and some C63. Anyways, quick little discussion here. So, just open up the door. Oh, nice. But yeah, we got the exhaust done on this car. And let's just say that the guy's like, oh yeah, Habibi, no problem. Easy peasy. We'll do it for you. Hold on, let me just start the car. And you guys tell me if this sounds okay. Clearly, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the back sounds nice. Exactly how it's supposed to sound. But the area where he welded, you can hear that little pop. Bro, it's freaking leaking. It's freaking leaking. What was this guy talking about? He was like, oh, no problem, this and that, blah, blah. I'll do it for you. Man, I don't know what to say. Pizza's good. One sec, bear back. But yeah, like I was saying, honestly, the quality of work in this country, you pay people good money, and the quality of work has just severely gone down. Like, this is getting annoying. Like, you pay for good work to be done, and no, still, after some time, there's still always a problem. Like, I'm getting really tired of this. Like, the quality of work is just declining in this country. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's go see what this dude has to say. So yeah, we're gonna leave it. Let the dude do it. He said no problem, I'll check it. But yeah, while I was driving, I heard a little bit of noise coming from the front right. Great, more fun car repairs, eh? I wonder what it could be. I heard something rubbing, but I can't tell what it is. Can't even see what it is. It sounded like some sort of tire hitting like a shield or something. I don't know. Anyways, we'll leave it, let the dude do it. We're gonna go back to work in the meanwhile. Oh, C63. Oh my, this is starting to get a little bit annoying. Like I said, the quality of work in this country has severely gone down. Like, this is starting to get ridiculous. Like, took it to, like, whatever. Maybe the guy's busy, this, that, or whatever. I don't even know what you want to call it. But like, he said no problem, I'll do it 100%. No leaks, guaranteed, you name it, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, okay, great. Paid him good money, like 300 bucks, right? And he did it in an hour, which is like, okay. You know, I get that the guy's a professional, he's a welder, whatever you want to call it. But like, it was still leaking a tiny bit, and he's like, oh, I can't reach it, like my welder doesn't go that far. I'm like, dude, okay, just like do it. But like, the thing is, if you see that you can't do something, or you think that there's gonna be an issue, don't take the job on. Like, why would you say yes, no problem, 100%, I'll do it, and then you say, oh, sorry, I can't do this because my equipment is not good enough or whatever. It doesn't reach. Like, dude, don't take the job on. I'll take it somewhere else. Someone that can take a look and guarantee that yes, no problem, they can do it. So I'm getting real tired of people in this country saying they can do something, and then in reality they can't do it. Like, it's getting ridiculous. Everybody just wants to make their 200, 300 bucks or whatever, and then they F off. Like, if you can't do something, don't say you can do it. It's getting ridiculous. Anyways, hopefully when I get it back, that issue will be solved, because it's getting to the point where, as I'm driving, I'm getting an engine light on because there's a little leak from the exhaust, and as I'm downshifting and coming to a stop, air from the atmosphere, like in the atmosphere, is being sucked up into the exhaust, and it's going into the primary O2 sensor, and that O2 sensor is starting to sense that the car is running lean, when in reality it's not. It's just air that's being pulled into the exhaust through that little leak. So the sensor's picking up too much air instead of just exhaust, and it's saying, oh my god, car is running lean, and then you get an engine light. It doesn't misfire, but still, it's like, What's going on? It's starting to get a little ridiculous. Like, nobody knows how to diagnose cars properly, how to do stuff properly. It's getting ridiculous. Quality of work in this country is very severely declining. Unless you're an actual professional and know what you're doing, unbelievable. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Hopefully this problem gets solved and we move on to the next one. The thing that we found today, something up with the suspension. Who the hell knows what it could be? Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a great day. Peace.